Welcome to this Elite Technique tutorial, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this video, we'll cover the inventory tool, how to set up your products correctly inventory-wise when creating them, how to update on-hand quantities, and the key information and benefits you'll gain for managing your inventory inside Elite Technique. Let's get started. First, we need to have the products that we've created in the system set up correctly as inventory or non-inventory items. If the product has variants, we can set them up as inventory or non-inventory as well. We can do so in edit mode when creating the product under the general information tab and next to product type. This is important because after we set the status, it cannot be reversed when put into a proposal or contract and eventually into a bill of materials. For more details on how to create a product, you can refer to our How to Create a Product Part 1 video. Also, we don't want the system to hold on to a product that we do not keep in stock and therefore label as non-inventory. After our products have the correct product type setup, we then look for the icon with the three little boxes, which is the inventory app or the sales app, on the left drop-down menu and click on it. Then click on products and select product variants from the drop-down menu. Here we can view all the products and product variants we have created. Now let's update our on-hand quantities. There are three ways to do this. Open any of the products that are inventory items and click on the three-box icon where it says on hand. Then select create. Input the number of on-hand units and hit save. You may also check the box next to internal reference. Hit action and select export. Make sure the export list has the quantity on hand item and update quantities in bulk. Import the list back and all set. If you require assistance with this, we will be more than glad to help. You can also sync with a fully set up purchasing module. We will provide a separate video on just the purchasing module to explain this better. When a job gets sold, it hasn't left inventory. It goes into forecasted quantity. When you're looking at a product on the list, you're going to have different numbers. You will see what's on hand. You'll have a forecasted quantity column as well. These are all the confirmed jobs that have these items but haven't been validated yet. After you confirm the materials and finish ordering your products, go into the job, click on BOM slip and add the quantities completed under the done column. And that will remove these products from the forecasted quantity and the on-hand column. That is how we handle and manage inventory in Elite Technique. Thank you very much.